Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to retrieve the MAC address of a Sungrow logger. Method 1. Using the logger's web interface. Connect your laptop to the logger's ETH port using an Ethernet cable. Access the logger's web interface by entering its IP address in your browser. Step 1. Log into the system. Use the default credentials if they haven't been changed. Step 2. Navigate to System and Run Information. You will find the ETH MAC address listed there. Method 2. Using Command Prompt after Windows. This method works if the logger is connected to the same network as your laptop. Step 1. Open Command Prompt and ping the logger's IP address to ensure it's in your ARP cache. Step 2. Type the following command, ORP-A. Look through the list and find the IP address of the logger. The corresponding MAC address will be displayed next to it. I hope this video helps. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more solar inverter tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.